Hello, today we are going to train your English voice with phrasal verbs. These 4 phrasal verbs are stand up, sit down, get up, lie down. Have a look at the first phrasal verb, stand up. Have a look at that man. Sentence 1, I am standing up. I use am because I'm talking about me. I am standing up. Standing up is the phrasal verb. Sentence 2, he or she is standing up. So if you look at that picture, it's a man, so I say he is standing up. Next, sit down. Sentence 1, I am sitting down. Sitting down is the phrasal verb. Sentence 2, they are sitting down. Have a look at the picture. There are 2 people, so we say they are sitting down. Get up. Get up. So have a look at sentence 1. I am getting up. So if I was sleeping and now I am getting up. Getting up is the phrasal verb. Sentence 2, she is getting up. So have a look at that picture. It is a woman, so I say she is getting up. Lie down. Lie down. Sentence 1, I am lying down. Sentence 2, he is lying down. So have a look at the picture. That is a man, so I say he is lying down. Lying down is the phrasal verb. Excellent job with phrasal verbs today. Goodbye.